Hello ladies and gentlemen, Captain Check here, and welcome to Mod and Indie News, your weekly resource for what's been going on in the modding and indie communities this week. This episode, we'll be taking a look at the alpha demo for TerraTech. Fistful of Frags gets released on Steam, Tomb of Rooms gets a new version, Red Resurrection has a 2.1 release, Standpoint gets a new demo, and Darkness starts the 1.6 beta testing. TerraTech is a game where you take on the role of an interplanetary mining contractor on a mission to discover natural resources on alien planets so you can send them back to Earth. This game is a combination of planetary exploration and vehicle construction. You need to travel across new exoplanets and harvest resources that you will use to build up your base and create new parts for your vehicles. The worlds are procedurally generated and vehicle construction is only limited by your imagination. There's a pre-alpha demo out now if you want to check out this game. Be sure to head over to the IndieDB page for download. Fistful of Frags is a mod for Half-Life 2 that turns the game world into an old western shooter, where you can play in team shootouts or play co-op against the AI. The mod features various game modes that you can play with friends or against them, a notoriety player progression system that measures player contribution to their team in several areas such as combat, objective completion, and team play, a dual wielding system that allows you to pair up two handguns together, a large number of weapons to choose from, and a healing class called Whiskey Man. This mod just went standalone on Steam. As long as you have a source-powered game like Half-Life 2 or Team Fortress 2, you can play this game right now. For all the specifics, be sure to head on over to the ModDB page. Tomb of Rooms is a third-person survival horror dungeon crawler for 1 or 2 players and some split-screen co-op action. Players must ascend a tower full of increasingly difficult, randomly generated levels using limited light and limited weapons. The game can be played single-player, but the developer has said that the game is made with the hope that the player will sit down with a friend and have some fun. A demo version of the game has recently been released, and you can play for as long as you can survive. If you want to give this game a go, you can download the demo over on IndieDB. Red Resurrection is a mod for Command & Conquer Yuri's Revenge. This mod brings some fun back to Yuri's Revenge by testing out new gameplay ideas such as more diverse armor types, reorganized tech trees, and special support powers. The allies once again use high-tech weaponry such as force shields, temporal displacement, and lasers, whilst also relying on the most powerful air force and navy in the world. The Soviets return with more radiation weapons, Tesla and electronics, napalm, and a devastating new set of ground weapons, plus the return of their psychic troops and sensor towers. The mod has recently received update version 2.1. Along with this update has come a new mod launcher, a new aerial arsenal for the allies, and improved AI, bug and balance fixes, and improved visuals. Head on over to the ModDB page for a download so you can get your strategic battle on. Standpoint is a first-person puzzle platformer game. Change the world's orientation to navigate through levels and discover the true meaning of your surroundings, as the voice of the narrator accompanies you on your journey. A demo has been released so you can check out this interesting game. The team has also announced that they're finally finished with all their various expo appearances and are settling back down into normalcy of getting back to work on their game. If you want to keep up with the development, make sure you follow their IndieDB page for regular updates. Darkness Source is a mod for Half-Life 2. It makes the game a fast-paced asymmetric team game where spiders and humans fight to destroy each other in order to survive. The first team to destroy all the other team's players and spawns wins. Each team has 7 unique player classes that can be purchased with frags, which you get by killing players and destroying spawns. Each team will have a builder that has a set number of points to build spawns and other support structures. The mod is currently running in beta testing on its 1.6 build, and it's been going well. The developer has already been able to fix some bugs and other issues. If you want to help with the development of this mod, be sure to download the build over on ModDB and give the author some feedback. And that's it for this week's Mod and Indie News. I'm Captain Shaq, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.